YouTube. I'ma probably mute this part of the video because I'm trying to get a little bit of, you know what I'm saying? But alright, so let's win the shop. Go figure, win the shop. Now let me tell y'all what's going on. Some of y'all might or might not know, but I'm gonna show it to you. Y'all see this little thing right here? Where you at? That thing, right? This guy right there. Right here. Okay. So that is the shutter or whatever they call, right? So what's going on right now is we're building pressure, right? And when that relief valve, or if that's what it's called, it opens. It's supposed to open like 130 psi. Close onto regular. Well, it's not closing. It's not closing at all, YouTube. So that's the problem. So we gotta come back out here and handle business. Yeah, we gotta come back and handle business. Yeah, my bad, bro. Like, and then, as a matter of fact, the crazy thing is, the longer I run, the longer it dumps. So what it is every now and then, after you let it run like an hour, it will decide to freaking close, and that's when you can build air pressure. Okay. And that's what happened right there. Right when you call me, it just happened to be one of those times. And then once you turn it off, it just keep leaking, as you heard. It don't stop. So. Go pump the brakes? Yeah, all right. Actually, yeah. I was about to say, when I turned it up, it was already like on E. You ain't got much in there. So, yeah, so that's the problem we're going through, YouTube. That is the damn problem we are going through. It started like last week, right? I was like, I'm about to go home anyways. And I just wait till I get to Texas, go buy the whole set, the drum, the sputter, which is what they think was broken, all that good stuff, right? That right there, so it's on the, I was just gonna wait and get all that when I get home, but it got worse and worse, so I had to turn it on. Because like I explained to the mechanic, right, literally what it's doing is, I would turn on the truck. Instead of your regular like 1 minute, go from. So, my bad, man. I guess phone storage was full. So, but instead of it taking like 1 minute to fill, it's taking us like 30 minutes now. In the beginning, it was just, and then you hear the like in the back, right, where he's at. So it's like a sputter. So I guess that's why they call it a sputter valve, because it won't close. So anyways, that's where we at, man. That is where we are at, YouTube. And this damn music gonna F up my monetization, but it is what it is. We gotta keep the people. All right. So obviously we already know the problem and all that, huh? So that's what is known as the sputter valve? Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Hey, I noticed that you see that little crack, is that because of the rock maybe, or that just the paint peeling off?
That's just the paint peeling off.
Oh, okay. All right. Appreciate it. So that is where we are, YouTube. Spending the money. As usual, trying to get the green to get in between. But damn it, boys. Damn it. We're gonna try this again. This is like my third time trying to record this damn video, but it keeps getting freaking turned off. Talking about no space on the phone, okay? So I know how they broke it down, but I'm gonna break it down again. So we're in the shop once again because the truck isn't holding pressure, right? Because air brakes get pressure, And long story short, it started doing this about a week ago when doing idle or when I start braking. That's how I started braking. I noticed I was losing air a little bit faster than I'm supposed to. You know, I mean, if you're doing stop braking, you're supposed to lose air, but no, this damn fast. You know what I'm saying? And then slowly, gradually, it got worse. And then, so what will happen is I'll build up pressure. And then when the damn valve dumps, which it turned out, I was told that the valve was potentially the problem, which is what he's working on right now. Once again, if I already explained this in the video, guys, sorry, the phone freaking died on me. So the spotter valve wasn't closing, doing what the hell it's supposed to do. Y'all know what it is. That little muffle right there, or that one right there. This would be my old one right here. So we're getting a new one put in there. So hopefully it will handle the situation. So if you find yourself losing air, not building pressure fast enough, most likely that's the problem. Okay, at least that's what I'm told right now. So we're gonna see if that fixes the problem. So yeah, my bad, man. The freaking phone kept dying on my black ass, boy. I got out of the whole bunch of nonsense. But that's where we at. We've been here damn near since Friday, right? And right when I got a damn load that actually paying something, bro, then this bullshit happened, man. I'm like, ain't this a motherfucker? So I don't know if it's that but Mother Nature just trying to tell me something or what, but yeah. This is where we at. Everybody want to be an owner-operator. Them days, damn it, them days, you too. Anyway, so we're gonna see what is, you know, we're gonna see, man. We're gonna go in here. I kind of want to go eat, but then again, I don't want to leave because I know they're gonna add on them extra hour or two for no damn reason. I want to be out here applying pressure. You know what I'm saying? Apply pressure. Make sure they handle business. And make sure they handle business like they're supposed to handle business, and then I can freaking roll up. Okay. So it's right about. First, I thought it was the air drum or whatever you call it, or air vacuum, whatever it is. Or just the spratter because it go, you know, like that. And every time I heard that noise, it got to where I got to idle like an hour before it built pressure. And then as soon as I roll out, stop any little bit, it would dump, or when it's supposed to, and then it don't build up like it's supposed to even while I'm driving. So I just figured catch the problem early. Catch the freaking problem early. This is it. Catch the problem early. So these right here, whichever one it was. Oh, the opening is not in here. So the bottom part, eventually I went and put my hand in. Let me see. Behind that black box underneath that is the opening. Eventually I went and felt underneath. And the air just continuously kept leaking. It didn't stop at all. So that's why I'm like, all right, time to go in. Time to fix this. And I want to go eat, but I don't know when they're going to be finished. So it don't really seem to be like a job that's gonna take too damn long. But yeah, that's where we at. This is where we are. We are in Jackson. We're at the TA in Jackson. The TA, Jackson, Georgia, about 40-something miles from Atlanta, okay? If you're here, come say hi. So far, guys, it looks like everything has been disassembled. It's on. I'm gonna replace like the whole thing, replacing the whole thing, not just the spotter valve. Replace the whole thing. I think that's it right there. I don't know. Yeah, replacing the whole thing. They came in here to spend a few $100. looks like we're gonna end up spending like $1,200. There we go. So that whole thing gonna have to be replaced right there. That's where we are. Where we are. Yeah. Yeah, and you already know the routine. After the done, we always keep the old parts. So for this, what we add is the old one, replaced with a new one. Making progress, y'all. We're making progress. We making progress. Yeah. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Originally, I thought it was airbag, man, or brake chambers or something, man. You know what I'm saying? But it said it's that bad, right there, but 01, always. Listen, you don't learn nothing from the kid. Learn one thing, always get your old part. You leaving, wifey? You leaving? You leaving? Are you leaving? Alright, bye. Yeah, that right there, my wifey, future wifey and shit. She just don't know it, damn it. She just don't know it. What was I saying? What kind of knowledge was I dropping before I got distracted by the woman? That's right. Always, man. Always. You get it, you get the old parts, alright? Stay tuned, making progress. We just turned it on. We just turned it on. Hey, my man, I'm gonna take the old one, if that's all right. Yeah, the whole set. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. So we just let's go look and see if it's pressurizing, man. Yeah, we always take the old parts, bro. We always take the old parts. Is it pressurizing? Is it? Oh, what's that? Look at it, man. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. All right, we're doing something. Yeah, the primary went up hella quick. That's what I'm talking about. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see if we can chill and let witness the release. Like I said, I don't know what that thing is about, but maybe it's part of it. I don't know. We'll be back. Keep y'all posted. Yes, sir.